Have you ever realized that your laptop, when it was bought initially, it was really fast, but as the time progresses with loading up more and more apps, it really gets laggy and slow? This is not your fault actually. The problem is that just like human body, our machines need to be maintained and we don't do the same. So here are some tips to make your Windows laptop or PC just as fast as it was when you bought it. Step number 1. The most buggy part of Windows is that it has a lot of startup apps which take up a lot of BIOS time, and you might have noticed when you initially bought your laptop, it booted up really fast, but as time progresses, it really gets slow. First, go into your task manager that you can do by right clicking on the taskbar and clicking on task manager. Once you go into the task manager, there is a section called as startup. Go into the startup section and you might see a lot of apps down there. Click on the status to just put the enabled versions on the top and see if you really need those apps to be starting up with your Windows. So in my case, say I don't really use Steam when my PC starts up, so you can just right click on it and click on disable. So the next time you turn on your PC, all the apps listed as disabled won't be started up with your PC. This saves up a lot of booting time and you will see a lot of difference. Step 2. Delete your temp files. That is, a lot of cache is stored on your PC when you open an app or run a program. To delete all these temp files, we would go into the run command and go into the temp folder. So we go into the run command by pressing Windows and R, and here you can type in temp and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will ask for administrative access and just click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see a bunch of files in the folder. All you have to do is select all the files and permanently delete them. You permanently delete them by holding on shift and then clicking on delete. So it will ask for a prompt. If you really want to delete all the files, just delete all the files. Third step would be the same, but instead of going into the temp folder, you go into a folder called %temp%. And this again will have a lot of files. Just again permanently delete all of them. You might be surprised by the amount of temporary files Windows holds up. If you get such errors, saying try again or something, just do this for all items and click on skip, because those might be the files that the Windows might be using currently. Fourth step, again nearly the same, but we'll go into a folder called as prefetch and again give the administrative access and select all the files, shift delete. Yeah, these were the main folders that hold up most of your cache files. Once you delete them, your PC should be free from most of the temporary files. The fifth step would be to disable the services that start along your Windows which you don't really use. We initially saw how to disable the startup apps. Now we'll see how to disable the startup services. So you click on Windows R and then type in msconfig and click on OK. You will be loaded up with this screen. Don't worry if it does not look the same. The settings might be different for you, but just go into the services panel, click on hide all Microsoft services, because you don't want to mess with your Microsoft services, which might be really important when your Windows machine starts up. So click on that and now disable any of the services. Say I don't want the Adobe Acrobat service initially when my PC starts up, so you disable that by unchecking the box. Similarly, disable all the services that you don't want. Once you have done with that, hit on apply and click on OK. So click on exit without restart, because we don't want to restart right now. Once you finish all these steps, you can click on restart. The final step is to disable the Windows animations. This is an optional setting that you might want to tinker about. If you really don't care about the animations showing up on your screen and all you want is blazing fast experience on Windows, you can try out this setting. All you have to do is go into your file explorer and right click on any empty space and click on properties. Okay, once you are in this window, go into advanced system settings. over here you might be shown with performance options. Click on the settings under that section, and once you come into this space you get options like these. So if you're really into performance based, you can click on adjust for best performance, and once you do that and click on apply, you might see a lot of Windows animations and Windows smoothing out techniques might be disabled. You can tinker around with these and choose the best ones that suit you and click on apply. These were all the settings that would make your old laptop or PC really amazing. Till then, peace out.